Let me show you. It's very soft on the inside. The sugar melts in your mouth. Amazing. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Queen Erikah. If you're new here, if you're joining, stay tuned till the end. My channel is all about cooking, lifestyle, adventure, and passion. You will love it. Please stick around till the end. Today I want to show you how to make or how to cook mitai. Mitai is a Swahili delicacy. It's a very good snack for evening tea, morning breakfast. So you will love it. Let's go straight and so I can show you the ingredients lined up for our mitai. The ingredients lined up for our mitai for today: 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 packet of instant yeast, in other words 2 tablespoons of instant yeast, 1 tablespoon of cardamon powder. I do the measurements, and also I will measure 2 tablespoons of sugar, and I'll measure 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. These are my measuring tools I will use to measure. And then I've already measured 1 cup of warm milk, room temperature warm milk. So in my mixing bowl, I've already put 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to go in with my instant yeast. I'm going to put the whole packet, and then I go in with my butter. So if you don't have butter, you can choose to use Blue Band or just the normal salad oil. You don't have to use butter. Then some warm milk. Let me mix first. Mix the dry ingredients together. Once you've mixed all your dry ingredients together, you want to go in with the milk. You gradually add as you need. The reason I'm using warm milk, not too hot, it helps the yeast to really proof quick. You need until you get a soft dough. I have my unga with me here. I keep adding as I need. So I'm done kneading my dough. So I want it to settle for 30 minutes. I'll just cover it with a cloth, a kitchen cloth. Let it settle for 30 minutes so that the yeast can proof. Yani kwa Kiswahili twasema ili iomoke. The dough to proof. So let it settle for 30 minutes and then we'll go to the next process. So our dough is ready, well proofed, as you can see. So I just want to go to the next step. Knead it. Knead it. I'll take a bit of flour, smear on my surface. And then now we want to knead the dough. So you just roll. ukiroll usiroll ikuwe flat sana kama ya chapati. It needs to be a bit thick, because if you make it too thin, your mitai will not have the meat inside, and you want a little bit of meat. So just make your roll, just make it a little bit thick. That's it. That's the thickness we want. So I'm going to take a knife and cut into desired pieces. Should be this thick when you're cutting. This thickness. So after cutting them into a desirable shape, you preheat your oil, your cooking oil, and now you you use medium heat. You don't want your mitai to just burn. As you cook, you turn them. Make sure they are golden brown, both sides. Okay, now our mitais are almost ready. So we want to make our sugar syrup. For our sugar syrup, you use a sufuria. In medium heat, put 1 cup of sugar and half a cup of water. Okay. Then stir. You stir until all the sugar melts. Keep stirring as you use medium heat until all the sugar melts. So as you're stirring, please stir with a wooden spoon. Our sugar has melted. See, we have a nice syrup. So what we want to do is we want to dip in our mitais inside. Let them get that sugar coating. Just mix. This is how you mix. Mix as you heat. have to make sure that all your mitais get the sugar coating. So continue mixing like this until all your mitai gets that sugar coating. So you can see my mitai have gotten that coating of the sugar syrup. So just continue, don't stop. It will take a while, but the end result is very beautiful. So our mitai is almost done. I've been doing this process for the last 10 minutes just to ensure that all the sugar coating is dry. So it needs patience. Yes. So it's almost ready. Just a few minutes and then we are done. So guys, we are finished making our mitai. They look so delicious, so good. You've seen the recipe. It's very easy, it's very simple, the procedure how to make this. Please, if you miss anything on the video, just check down below in the description box. You will get all the ingredients that are used and the recipe and the procedure for cooking mitai. Now mitai, as I said, you can eat with as an evening snack with tea or with coffee or with drinking chocolate, or you can eat for breakfast. It's a snack, so and kids love it as well. So enjoy as you make this recipe. Also, I have my cup of tea, my cup of milk, not tea. My cup of milk here, cold milk. I like to eat my mitai with cold milk. So I want to do the tasting for you so that you can have a feel of what I'm feeling. So let me just pick one mitai. There we go. It's crunchy, the sugar coating, perfect. It's just so sweet and so good, and the sugar melts in your mouth. Amazing. Plus cold milk, so good. So as you can see, it's very soft on the inside. Come close, let me show you. It's very soft on the inside, like you can see. Very good. Try this recipe, guys. We love it. Very good. It's a very good snack. So guys, I won't leave without letting you know that you need to subscribe to my channel. You need to share, like, comment. Please don't forget to do that. Stay tuned to the end. Share to your friends. Comment, like, okay? And also, don't forget to watch out for my next video. Turn on your notification bell so that you can watch my next video next week. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you.